What's going on, guys? Today we're going to do a little review. Raze Energy. I'm not paid for this. We love energy drinks. You look around this shop, you will find energy drink cans everywhere. Lot of rave about these guys lately, and as an energy drink lover, we wanted to give it a shot. So first thing I noticed is attention to just, come on, does it get any better? Even into the flaps, every flap, different message, boom. What really caught my attention was some of their flavors. They really, kind of cool. All zero sugar, 0 calorie, fairly high caffeine content, which we love. We've got Galaxy Burst, Voodoo, I mean, pretty awesome. Baja Lime, Phantom Freeze, Strawberry Colada, Grape Bubble Gum, Guava Mango, and this one was the one that really got me, Sour Gummy Worms. Tell me that don't sound like heaven. And they even threw some other stuff in here. We got some packs. Nuclear pre-volume workout fuel. The only workout I do is putting beer cans to my lips, so try it. And performance sleep aid. That actually might come in handy. I sleep terribly. So yeah, guys, give them a check. Give them a good check their page out and try them out. We're gonna try it. I recommend everybody do it.